Every business should have access to high-speed internet, no matter where they are. But getting fast speeds in rural Canada hasn't always been easy, which meant less reliability and connectivity. But not any longer. Xplornet Enterprise Solutions has the network to help you do business virtually anywhere in Canada. With our extensive fiber, fixed wireless, and next-generation satellites, we're bringing the high speeds of the big city to small towns, tiny towns, and no towns. Xplornet Enterprise Solutions gives you the kind of high-speed internet your business can rely on, so you can stay productive and stay connected across single and multiple locations. Plus, with our 24/7 dedicated support centers and coast-to-coast dealer network, help is never far away, whether it's Dave in Portage La Prairie,
Hey, this is Dave.
or Katie in Ontario.
Hi.
No matter your business size or location, get connected with Xplornet Enterprise Solutions.